This is a short question from Jun2004 Physics 6. This is a particle physics rather than an accelerator question. First question asks, one particle classified as a gauge boson. Now remember, the gauge bosons are the particles which mediate the interaction. So you can have the particles which mediate the electromagnetic, or the particles which mediate the weak, the strong interaction, etc. So if we consider those in turn, you could have said, first of all, the mediating particle for the electromagnetic is the photon. Then we have the W or Z gauge bosons, which mediate the weak interaction. We have the gluon, which mediates the strong, and then finally we have the graviton, which I'm loath to put down, seeing as its existence hasn't been proved yet, but it's believed to exist, and that's the particle which mediates the gravitational reaction, obviously. Then, in terms of their interaction, distinguish between leptons and hadrons. Well, leptons are distinct because they interact by the weak interaction. Hadrons interact by the strong nuclear force only. Okay, so in terms of their interaction between leptons and hadrons, so leptons interact by the weak interaction, or by the weak force. Hadrons interact by the strong force. So if it's interacting by the strong force, it must be hadron. If it's interacting by the weak force, it must be leptons. And that's why whenever we look at beta minus or beta plus decay, it must be a weak interaction, because leptons won't interact by anything other than the strong interaction. Quarks then are described in terms of a number of properties or types. Name the 6 quark properties. So we need to know the 6 quark properties, and I tend to learn those in the order in which they were discovered. So they are up, down, strange, charm, top, and bottom. You could say that they have properties of upness, downness, strangeness, charm, topness, and bottomness. But up, down, strange, charm, top, and bottom would get you your marks in that particular question. As I said, that was a short question on particle physics from Jun2004.